Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be exploring class 8 maths chapter 5, data handling. So to start with, they talked about what is a pictograph. Not pictography, sorry, a pictograph. Now, a pictograph is nothing much but just a graph represented with pictures. So for example, if you have to collect the data of how much a pen store sold in a week, right? Okay. Now let's say one pen is equal to 10 pens. Okay. So let's draw Monday. On Monday, they sold 10 pens. On Tuesday, however, they only sold 5 pens, so we're gonna half the picture like that. Then on Wednesday, they sold 20 pens. Sorry, these pens look terrible. And then on Thursday, okay, it's just going to be like that. So you keep continuing like that for a whole week. Now they talked about telemarks. Now what are telemarks? So if you want to say that on Monday they sold 10 pens, in tele that would be like, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one you cross it over, and then you start with a new one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you cross it over and start with a new one. So that's 10. Then on Tuesday they only sold 5. And then on Wednesday, they sold 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. So that is 20 pence for birthday. Now, how can you do that? How can you show that on a bar graph? Now, if you have, you also have pens. You have pens, obviously, on that store, but you also have highlighters. Okay? Highlighters. Okay? So you've got Wednesday. Let's do 10, 20, and 30. Now, what are double bar graphs? We know that bar graphs just go up and they form a bar. So let's make the pens a bar graph, and pens, they only sold 10 on Monday, but then how many did they sell on Tuesday? How are you gonna show that? So for that, you're gonna go on the second bar graph and you're gonna make it connected, and then you're gonna be like, on Tuesday they sold 20. Then on highlighters, you can be like, oh, they sold 30 on a day, and then they sold 40 on the back to school day. Okay, so that's how double bar graphs work like. Now, if we go up, now they talked about pie graphs. So if I just, I had to choose the rubber and do that. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. It's not rubbing out. That's fine. But so that's basically what that is. Now let's look at a pie graph. What is a pie graph? So a pie graph is anything which is represented in a circle and you cut it into pieces. So let's say this is 5%, and let's say people were choosing to play what sports. So 5% chose football, then 30% chose basketball, then 30% other people chose cricket, and so on. So this is basically a bar graph. But how do we make a bar graph? Now, how do we make a bar graph? If you want to say that football, they played 50% chose football, basketball, that would be let's say 25% chose to play basketball, and for handball, let's say 25 other people chose to play that. Now we put this into a fraction. So let's do 50 by 100. Then let's do 25 by 100. And let's do another 25 by 100. Now, how do we get this simplified? You basically cut it down, so you're like 1, and this would be 2, this would be 1, and this would be 4, and this would be 1, this would be 4. Now, how do we get it? How do we get it on the pie graph? So basically, we'll work with degrees. So we need to make these a degree. To do that, we're going to multiply them by 360 degree times 360 degree and 360 degree. Now, half of 360 degree is 180 degree. 1/4 of it would be 90 degree, and 1/4 again would be 90 degree as well. Now you get on your pie graph. Okay, nice and big. Now you choose the center point and you draw a radius. Now you've got that radius down. Now we start with the angles. So let's make the 180 degree first. So we do. Let's make the 90 degree first, for example. So we put like that, and that would be our 90 degree. Then let's put another 90 degree down here. And this one would automatically become 180 degree. So that was it for this chapter. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.